Good evening, gang. This is Victor Echo 2 Delta X-Ray with an update on the IMK1. The unit is coming along real fine. You'll notice that I've programmed my radio for 8 different memories, and what I'm going to be doing is powering up the unit, showing the power up menu, and then transmitting with the unit. You will hear the radio in the background going into the transmit mode. Menu, as I showed in my last video, will show the revision and the date of the revision with the radio type configured. Obviously, PTT works great, exactly as wanted. Turns transmit on, transmit off, which is perfect. Whoops. Oh, this last one, a little bug there. Okay, one little bug that we need to look into. And obviously, if I change my configuration, let's say to a 7610.19.2, and I try to transmit, it does not work. The radio obviously is set up, as you can see, as a 7300 at 9600 baud. Got to work a little bit on the pressure detection, make it a little bit more sensible. And the memories, let's try it.
Test memory 1, test memory 1, test memory 2, test memory 2, test memory 3, test memory 3, test memory 4, test memory 4, test memory 5, test memory 5. Very, very long test. Victor Echo 2 Delta X-Ray. Very, very long test. Testing, testing, testing. This is Victor Echo 2 Delta X-Ray. Victor Echo 2 Delta X-Ray testing. Sharp test. Victor Echo 2 Delta X-Ray.
So as you can see, still some work to be done on the sensibility. Also, how to break the transmit on the memory. I'm having a little bit of a problem with that. The PTT works great. The others, I have right now to touch them again to bring them back. I'm hoping to be able to have the radio reset the button back to green when it goes back to receive mode. That's stuff I need to work on, and a little bit of the tactile sensibility. That's minor. As far as the when you hit the buttons, to make sure that they're always being picked up. Thank you guys. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon.